What's going on, everybody? We back with another one, and as you can probably see, I've already started on it. But this truck come with, it's like a wrap that was on the pillars on the door, and it's like a flat black color. So I'm going to take it off and run it white for a little bit, but eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some gloss black wrap and put here. That way it blends in with the window tint. But I don't know, man, I kind of like the white. I think once I get both of them off, it's gonna look really well. And this is a very, I mean, this is a cheap mod to do. I mean, you don't even have to have nothing but like a knife to cut the wrap off, because they tuck it behind the windowsill. But other than that, yeah, I mean, this is pretty much like a free mod you could do to your truck. But yeah, man, that color matching is looking real good. Looks real good on camera. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. Like I said, we'll go ahead and get the rest of it off, and then once I get it all the way off, I will pick the video back up and show you guys exactly how it looks. Yeah, because I don't know, I like to paint match looking stuff better than I do like that there. Like that don't match anything like that flat black color. It does match, actually. It does match the little molding on the fender there. But yeah, that's going to get painted too, so might as well go ahead and take this stuff off. But yeah, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to get these other 3 pieces off, and then once I get it off, I'm going to take the eraser wheel and get the residue that's on there off, and then I'll pick the video back up and show you guys how it turned out. Stay tuned. Look at that, we hit 3K miles Saturday. Oh, excuse me. But we got it all off. Let me step back and show you guys how it looks. If my phone wouldn't want to focus, there it goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, much better. As you can see, that looks so much better with the white rather than that matte black in between the windows. It blends really well now. It blends really well. Now once we get us some offset rims and tires on this thing, it'll look so much better than what it does right now, which it looks good to me now. I want to do the door handles too, but I don't know. I might leave those black, you know, to try to offset the white and black. But I am gonna do the fender moldings, and I am gonna black out the orange amber in the front. So yeah, once we get wheels and tires and that stuff taken care of, this thing's gonna look pretty good. But yeah, like I said, if any of you guys have this kind of Ranger, this is a sport 4x4. Let me get the window sticker out just to see, because I don't know if all the Rangers actually have that molding or that vinyl wrapping on the windows. Let me see if this thing has like an appearance package. I don't know if it does or not. Let's see. So here's the window sticker. Ebony premium, ebony cloth seats. I don't see running boards, power sliding rear window. Oh yeah, it might be the sport appearance package. I bet that's what it is. So if any of you guys have the sport appearance package, that will come off the door moldings. I don't know why my phone keeps unfocusing. Might be the sun going in and out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, very easy to do. Once you get it off, you got like an eraser wheel or some goof off or Goo Gone to take the adhesive material, because some of it does get left behind. I have an eraser wheel, took it right off. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and oh yeah, check it out. There's my grandpa's Colorado. You can see the Ranger and the Colorado. The Ranger is pretty big, but his is 2-wheel drive. But that does have the V6 in it. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.